Nursing shortage in the United States. As a nurse, there's no doubt that there's a shortage of nurses. I feel it every day when I work. I get calls from my superiors daily to work overtime because they cannot find nurses to see their patients in the community. This is a serious problem. Many of my colleagues call me often to discuss how they feel so overwhelmed and overworked. They're often working more than their 8-hour shifts, period. Some reported to me that they're so burnt out that they're leaving the profession entirely, period. People are living longer and developing more complex chronic conditions. There are not enough nursing educators. This is a serious issue that needs to be addressed and discussed. We have to find inventive ways to recruit and entice others to enter the profession and also be nurse educators. In the state of California, there's the greatest need for nurses. There are more than 300,000 available jobs that can be found only in this state. There are many other states in this country that are in the same predicament as California. Our nurses are getting older and they're retiring. By 2022, there will be a great need for 1 million nurses. Where are we going to find nurses or find people to join the profession? We have to get Congress, and as nurses, we have to advocate for ourselves. We have to get Congress involved to get funding, to get the word out about this serious problem in the profession. My question is, what impact the nursing shortage has on the healthcare industry?